Welcome back to ServiceNow item series. In the last video, we worked through the practical side of CMDB implementation, how data gets mapped, stored, and managed using ServiceNow discovery and reconciliation tools. In this session, we are going to take a deeper look at the advanced concept of CMDB, specifically the engines and methods ServiceNow uses to ensure data accuracy, consistency, and stability. This session includes an overview of IRE, Identification and Reconciliation Engine, CMDB audits and reconciliation process, manage data integrity, and how to troubleshoot common CMDB issues. Let's begin with the IRE engine, one of the most important features introduced by ServiceNow for CMDB accuracy. What is IRE? The Identification and Reconciliation Engine is a ServiceNow engine that manages how data from multiple sources is added or updated in the CMDB. Unique CI identification. IRE compares incoming data with existing records using identification rules to determine whether to create a new CI or update an existing one. Then conflict management. If the same attribute comes from two sources like discovery and an import set, IRE uses reconciliation rules to decide which value wins. Then pluggable architecture. IRE is modular, meaning any data source can plug it into it, ensuring all data flows the same identification and reconciliation standards. Next, let's explore audits and reconciliation. The process of ensuring data accuracy over time. CMDB audit history. ServiceNow tracks every change made to a CI, showing who made the change, what field was modified, and when. This helps with both internal audits and external compliance. Reconciliation rules. These rules are defined per CI class to set data priority. For example, you might prioritize discovery data over manual imports for several attributes. Multiple data sources with different data coming from APIs, integration, and manual entry reconciliation helps avoid overwriting good data with bad or outdated info. Data certification. Scheduled certification tasks allow user or teams to verify key attributes like owner location or environment at regular intervals. And data integrity in CMDB. Maintaining data integrity is essential to making the CMDB useful for change management, incident response, and reporting. Completeness. Every CI must contain required data such as name, type, status, and relationship. Incomplete records can cause gaps in reporting or automation failures. And correctness. This ensures that the data value are not only filled in but are accurate. For instance, IP addresses should follow proper formatting and not to be duplicated. Then compliance. This checks whether CIs follow your organization's internal standards such as naming conventions, required fields, and ownership policies. Then health dashboard. ServiceNow provides a health CMDB health dashboards that tracks all three indicators: completeness, correctness, compliance, and surface issues for review. So let's explore these things on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance. So these are the identification and reconciliation rules. Like if we open CI identifiers, IRE data reconciliation definition, and there are different available for identification and reconciliation. Identifies, these are the different identifiers, like if we open this one. So this is the identifier, which name is ACL endpoint rule, and identify for the access control list endpoint. So these are the identifier entries. So in this way we can use the identifier and create the different identifiers. Then IRE data source rules, there is no data source rules right now, but we can create from this new button. Then reconciliation definition, in this table contains the reconciliation definitions, and we can also create the new one from here. So this is the dashboard for CMDB, like it shows all three, like completeness, compliance and correctness. So CMDB compliance scorecard and different things are available here to view the health of the CMDB. Right now there is less data behind the scenes, and that's why it's not showing any data here. But this is the CMDB dashboard to view the health and all the stuff related to the CMDB from here. Then troubleshooting CMDB issues. Finally, let's look at how to troubleshoot issues in the CMDB. Duplicate CIs. One of the most common problems, these occur when identification rules are too weak or when discovery runs before configuration. Review and refine those rules regularly. Then orphan CIs, these are the configuration items without relationships. They may have been imported manually or missed during automatic discovery, using dependency views to catch and link them. Then broken relationships. CIs may have relationships that are outdated, incorrect, or no longer relevant. Discovery patterns or service mapping rules can be adjusted to correct this. Then outdated data. If discovery is not running regularly, data can become stale. Set up schedules and alerts to keep things updated. And that's your walkthrough of CMDB advanced concepts. We explored how ServiceNow maintains accurate and consistent CMDB data through the IRE engine, audits, reconciliation, and health dashboard, as well as how to troubleshoot common CMDB issues. In the next video, we will shift focus one of the most powerful tool in CMDB maintenance, discovery. You will learn how discovery works, what component it uses, and how it automates the population of your CMDB. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.